Fábrica de Municiones de Granada, FMG, is located in the south of Spain in the region of Andalusia. The first written record of this factory dates from 1324 in Granada. The city has more than 230,000 inhabitants, together with suburban areas almost 500,000. Granada is dominated by the Nazari Palaces of the Alhambra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. For strategic reasons, in the 16th century, the factory was moved from the center of Granada to a remote part of the city called Fargue. Entering the FMG premises is like stepping into another era. There is no munitions factory in the world with architecture similar to this one. It covers an area of almost 1 million square meters, and you can feel the history all around you. There is also a chapel between the manufacturing buildings, where many of the employees have been baptized and married. An essential part of the factory is its museum. On the walls there are portraits of all former military general directors. You can see the historic visitors book, signed by the famous Evita Peron. There you can see the slippers that King Alfonso VIII used to wear when he came to get his hunting powder, and many historical documents. All the products that have been or are manufactured at FMG are exhibited in the museum. The factory is less than an hour's drive from the highest mountain in Spain. The Sierra Nevada at 3,480 meters is the second highest mountain in Western Europe after the Alps and offers 100 kilometers of sky slopes. At the same time, the FMG factory sits an hour's drive from the sea and sandy beaches. This means you can go skiing and swimming in the sea on the same day. Is there a factory like this anywhere else in the world? FMG, unique in the defense industry.